Today we will learn about honeybee life cycle. Unlike a bumblebee colony or a pepperwasp colony, the life of a honeybee colony is perennial. There are three types of honeybees in a hive are queens, they are egg producer, workers, workers are non-reproducing female, and drones. Drones are males whose main duty is to find and mate with a queen. Unlike the workers bee, the drones do not sting. Honey bee larvae hatch from eggs in 3 to 4 days. They are then fed by worker bees and develop through several stages in the cells. Cells are kept by worker bees when the larva pupates. Queens and drones are larger than workers, so require larger cell to develop. A colony may typically consist of tens to thousands of individuals. While some colonies live in hives provided by humans, so-called wild colonies, although all honeybees remain wild even when cultivated and managed by humans, typically prefer a nest site that is clean, dry, protected from the weather, about 20 liters in volume, with a 4 to 6 square centimeter entrance about 3 meter above the ground, and preferably facing south or southeast in the northern hemisphere or north or northeast in the southern hemisphere. Development from egg to emerging bee varies among queens, workers, and drones. Queens emerge from their cells in 15 to 16 days, workers in 21 days, and drones in 24 days. Only one queen is usually present in a hive. New virgin queens develop in large cells through differential feeding of royal jelly by workers. When the existing queen ages or dies or the colony becomes very large, a new queen is raised by the workers bee. When the hive is too large, the old queen will take half the colony with her in a swarm. This occurs a few days prior to the new queen emerging. If several queens emerge, they will begin piping, signaling their location for the other virgin queens to come fight. Once one has eliminated the other, she will go around the hive chewing the sides of any other queen cells and stinging and killing the pupa. The queen takes one or several nuptial flights nuptial fights to mate with drones from other colonies, which die after mating. After mating, the queen begins laying eggs. A fertile queen is able to lay fertilized or unfertilized egg. Each unfertilized egg contains a unique combination of 50% of the queen's genus and develops into a haploid drone. The fertilized eggs develop into their diploid workers or virgin queens if fed exclusively royal jelly. Every honeybee, Apis mellifera, in a hive exists to perform specific duties determined by their gender and age. Like every member of its colony, the nurse honeybee plays a vital role in the survival of its hive. Nurse bees are charged with the care and feeding of the queen and the next generation. The average lifespan of a queen is 3 to 4 years. Drones usually die upon mating or are expelled from the hive before the winter, and workers may live for a few weeks in the summer and several months in areas with an extended winter. Here we can see a chart. Type: queen, egg up to day 3, larva up to day 8.5, cell capped day 7.5, pupa day 8 until emergence. Average development period 16 days. Start of fertility day 23 and up. Body length 18 to 22 millimeter. Weight on emerging nearly 200 milligram. Worker egg up to day 3, larva up to day 9, cell cap day 9, pupa day 10 until emergence day 11 or 12 last molt. Average development period 21 days, range 18 to 22 days. Body length 12 to 15 millimeter, weight on emerging nearly 100 milligram. Drone egg up to day 3, larva up to day 9 and half, cell capped day 10, pupa day 10 until emergence. Average development period 24 days, start of fertility is about 38 days, body length 15 to 17 millimeter, weight and emerging nearly 200 milligram. Here we can see another chart. Days 1 development state is called egg, weight 0.132 milligram, length 1.2 millimeter, food source is yolk. Day 2 development state egg, weight not listed, food source yolk. Day 3 development state egg, weight 0.09 milligram, food source yolk. Day 4 developmental state larva, weight not listed, food source royal jelly. Day 5 developmental state larva, weight 3.4 milligram, food source royal jelly. Day 6 developmental state larva, weight 33.3 milligram, food source royal jelly or honey and pollen. Day 7 developmental state larva, weight 100.1 milligram, food source honey and pollen. Day 8 developmental state larva, weight 134.5 milligram and food source honey and pollen. Day 9 developmental state larva, weight 155.2 milligram, food source honey and pollen. That's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a comment, give it a like. Thank you.